Software Spring. Presents. How to use named functions to create your own function in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using named functions to create your own function. The contents of this tutorial are: Intro to named functions, how to create a named function, how to use a named function, how to enter a named function, how to remove a named function. Quick review. Intro to named functions. Named functions are a way to create your own functions. The function you create can be a simple or complex one. A named function can have multiple operations. Example: this formula has multiplication, addition, division, and power operators. A named function can also have one or more functions. Example: a custom function named extractRow combines index and XMATCH functions. A named function is available in spreadsheet, in which you create function. To use it in another spreadsheet, import function. A named function can be edited. Changes will be updated automatically in all spreadsheets in which you've used function. A named function can be removed. The cell in spreadsheets with function, which has been removed, will display name error. Moving forward, here are the objectives of this tutorial. To create a named function, which will work as a fixed deposit (FD) maturity amount calculator. To use, edit, and remove a named function. How to create a named function. First, click Data, and select Named Functions. Click Add New Function. Type the function name. I will type the name as FDCalc for FD Calculator. Type the function description. Argument placeholders are the arguments of the function. For this project, I will use these 4 arguments. I will name these arguments. Key point: to use 2 or more words for an argument name in their short or full form, connect them using an underscore. Type the formula. The formula for calculating a FD maturity amount using the argument names is Click Next. Give a description and an example for each of the arguments in your formula. Click Create. Google Sheets has created the custom function. Let me close this window. How to use a named function. First, we will type the data for these arguments. Okay, we are all set to use our own function, FDCalc, we created. Type the equal to symbol, and type the first few characters of the function name. Key point. The text, named function, to right of a custom function, assists to quickly identify such a function. Select the function. Click the question mark to display the formula help. It shows info about the function, the formula definition, and other details. Click the X mark to close the formula help. Specify the required arguments. In this case, I will specify these 4 arguments, with the first 3 separated by a comma. Press Enter. Alright, here is the FD maturity amount. To calculate the total interest earned by the FD, subtract the principal from the maturity amount. There you go. This is the total interest amount. How to edit a named function. Click Data, and select Named Functions. Click the 3 vertical dots. Click Edit. Let me edit the formula. Okay, in the formula, the caret symbol is the power operator. Let me replace this part of the formula with the POW function. The syntax of the POW function formula is. Alright, let me use the POW function. Click Next, and click Update. Let me change the interest rate to 7%, and press Enter. OK, FDCalc has returned the new maturity amount, using the updated formula. How to remove a named function. Click Data, and select Named Functions. Click the 3 vertical dots. Click Remove. I will close this pane. Google Sheets has displayed the name error, because the named function has been removed. Let me press Ctrl and Z keys, to get back the removed function. OK, we got back the named function. Quick review. Use the named functions option, as a way to create your own function. A named function can have many arithmetic operations, or many functions. A named function is available in spreadsheet in which you create function. Any changes to a named function is updated automatically in all spreadsheets it is used. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.